this is Emily coming at you from Prince George Ford, and today we are looking at the 2025 Ford F-150 XLT. Coming in this nice red coloring, this vehicle is powered by a 3.5-liter V6 ECOBOOST engine, has four-wheel drive capabilities, and comes equipped with a black appearance package, tow and haul package, and the bed utility package. Taking a look at the back here, we do get rear park sensing, tow hitch, your backup camera. We get a nice tailgate step as well. Mud flaps on the rear, a nice black gripped running board with mud flaps on the front, side view camera, spotlights, blind spot detection, turn light indicated, and over to the front we do get a black hood deflector with recovery hooks, front park sensing, license plate bracket, front view camera, block heater, and that nice Ford grille. Taking a look on the inside, we can see this vehicle does seat up to 5 pretty comfortably. We have this nice black cloth interior, plenty of door space, floor mats, carpet interior, cup holders with rear vents, outlets for charging, and a nice split folding rear bench seat, which is perfect for extra storage. Taking a look at the driver's side now, we can see here we do have a power driver's seat with the same cloth interior we saw in the back there. Plenty of door space up front, auto stop booster, lights, spotlights, parking brake, all on your left-hand side. Taking a look at the vehicle while it's running, we can see the odometer is sitting at 33 kilometers. We do get this nice leather-wrapped steering wheel, toggle-free screen, phone and media, volume, voice, and cruise control. Looking at this screen here, we do have my view, trip and fuel, gauges, off-road, towing, status info, navigation, phone, audio, vehicle maintenance, and other settings. To memory, we have our gear select that is collapsible with tons of storage outlets, cup holders, your center console with even more storage, rear locking diff, dry modes, four-wheel drive, trailer brake, pro trailer assist, heated front seats with dual climate, 12 volt and 120, storage above and below, as well as on the dash, with a nice powered rear window opener. Looking at our screen here, we have our park assist, you have your hazards, traction, and a nice 360 view of the vehicle, which you can go through different camera angles. Looking at our screen here, we have our audio, which has AM, FM, Bluetooth, and Sirius XM. We got our phone controls, your navigation, fave apps such as messaging, email, zone lighting, all that jazz. Any apps you may download will show up right here with the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, settings, and your features of the vehicle. If interested, the stock number for this vehicle is KE45747, and you can head on out to PG Ford or give us a call.